In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove part of a video in CapCut on PC. If you made a mistake in the middle of a recording, or you just want to cut out a long pause that slows everything down, CapCut makes the process very simple. The goal is to isolate the part you do not want, then delete it cleanly so the rest of your video joins back together without leaving any awkward gap. To begin, look at your timeline and find the vertical playhead line. This is the line that shows exactly where you are in your video. Click and drag that playhead to the precise moment where the unwanted section begins. Take your time here because the more accurate you are, the cleaner your edit will be. Once the playhead is sitting exactly on the frame where the mistake starts, go to the timeline toolbar and click the split icon. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and B. As soon as you do that, CapCut cuts the clip into two separate pieces at that exact point. Next, you need to mark the end of the section you want to remove. Drag the same playhead further along the timeline until you reach the exact point where the bad footage ends and the usable footage begins again. This step is just as important, so make sure you place the playhead carefully, then click the split icon again or press Ctrl and B one more time. After that second split, the unwanted portion will now be isolated as its own separate clip in the middle of your timeline. Now it is time to remove it. Click directly on that middle clip so it becomes selected. You should see it highlighted, which confirms that CapCut is targeting the correct section. Once it is selected, press the delete key on your keyboard. You can also click the trash can icon in the timeline toolbar if you prefer using the mouse. The unwanted footage will disappear immediately. One of the best parts of this process is that CapCut automatically snaps the remaining clips together. That means you do not have to manually drag them into place, and you will not be left with an empty black space in the middle of your project. The result is a much cleaner timeline and a smoother final video. And that is all it takes. Place the playhead, split at the beginning, split at the end, select the middle section, and delete it. In just a few quick moves, you can clean up mistakes and remove unwanted footage in CapCut on PC. You're all set. Done.